Hi guys, let's make some delicious chicken and shrimp Rasta pasta. For ingredients, we're gonna need pasta, we're gonna need shrimp, chicken breast, evaporated milk, or you can use heavy cream. We're gonna need Parmesan cheese, grated mozzarella. Also, we're gonna need red, yellow, and green bell peppers along with onion and garlic. We're going to start by prepping our shrimp. We're going to clean and peel our shrimp, and I am leaving on the tail on mine because that's just my preference, but you can definitely remove them if you prefer not to have them on your shrimp. We're going to season with our Old Bay seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, some complete seasoning, a pinch of salt, and I'm also going to add some jerk seasoning as well. And then we are going to mix to combine, and we're going to allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight in the fridge. For our chicken breast, we're going to clean and pat them dry and season with the same seasoning that we use for the shrimp. We are going to mix and allow the seasoning to marinate into the chicken breast overnight or at least 30 minutes, right? For this recipe, I am using the mild jerk seasoning. So if you want your Rasta pasta to be spicy, you can definitely get the spice jerk seasoning. All right. Next, we are going to go ahead and julienne or sweet peppers. We want medium strips, right? And you can see that I'm removing the inside of the pepper, and we're going to julienne into medium strips and set them aside until we are ready for them. You want to finely dice and put aside your onion and your garlic as well. To a pot of water, we're going to add salt and oil, and the oil prevents the pasta from sticking together. We are going to cook it to the package directions, and then we are going to strain and set aside. To our 10-inch cast iron skillet, I'm going to go ahead and add my bell peppers, and I'm going to allow them to saute for about a minute or two just to get the flavors released. And then we're going to set them aside and go in with our chicken breast. Of course, we want a nice sear on each side, and we also want the chicken breast to cook through. So I am cooking the chicken breast for about 2 to 4 minutes on each side. And then we're going to go ahead and cut them into strips for use later on. To the same pot, we're going to go in with our shrimp, and we are going to allow our shrimp to cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And then we're going to go ahead and remove them from the pot and set them aside. After removing my shrimp, I did rinse my pot, and I added a tablespoon of butter. You can use any butter of your choice, and I sauteed my garlic and onion for 1 to 2 minutes. I am then going to go in with my evaporated milk, and I'm going to allow the mixture to come to a boil. Once the mixture comes to a boil, I'm going to add jerk seasoning, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and a pinch of salt and our cheese. And we're going to allow this to simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. And you'll see that it has a nice thick texture once it simmers down. It is also very important to taste your food as you cook so that you can adjust the seasoning and the taste of your food to your liking. So just bear that in mind when you're cooking. Now it's time to combine everything. So I'm starting with my bell peppers, I just put half of it into the sauce, and then I'm going in with my pasta and I'm going to stir to combine just to ensure that the sauce covers all the pasta. And then I'm going in with my chicken and my shrimp and the rest of my bell peppers. And we're going to combine to ensure that everything is fully coated and incorporated into our delicious sauce. If needed, definitely feel free to go back in with some heavy cream or evaporated milk to ensure that there is enough sauce for your pasta. Once all your ingredients are coated in this delicious, creamy, cheesy pasta sauce, feel free to go ahead and sprinkle some Parmesan on top and serve. But for the purpose of this video, I did go in with some shrimp and some sliced chicken breast on top, and I'm also garnishing with some scallion for color and flavor. Feel free to let us know what you think about this recipe in the comments, and I do hope that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.